In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create read-only text channels on Discord. A read-only channel is a text channel where regular members can see the messages, but they can't type or react unless you allow them to. This is perfect for announcements, rules, or important information you don't want buried in chat. I'll walk you through the full process so you understand not only what to click, but why you're doing it. First, open your Discord app or the browser version and head into the server where you want this read-only channel. You'll need to have the proper permissions, usually as a server owner or admin, to manage channels and roles. If you don't see the options I mention, double-check your permissions with an existing admin. On the left-hand side, where all your channels are listed, look for the category where you want the new read-only channel to live. For example, many servers have a category like Info or Announcements. Right-click on that category name, then select Create Channel. If you're on mobile, you can usually tap the plus icon next to the category instead. In the window that appears, make sure Text Channel is selected. Give your channel a clear descriptive name like Announcements, Rules, or Updates, so members immediately understand what it's for. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and create the channel. Now the important part is setting the permissions so it's actually read-only. Click on the new channel, then look for the settings icon next to its name. Open the channel settings and navigate to the Permissions tab. Here you'll see roles like Everyone and possibly Admin or Moderator roles you've set up. Select the Everyone role first. This is what all regular members will inherit unless they have a special role. Under Text Channel Permissions, find options like Send Messages and Add Reactions. Turn those off or set them to Deny. This ensures that standard members can't type or react in this channel, but they can still view everything. Next, if you want admins or moderators to be able to post updates, choose those roles in the same permissions area and make sure Send Messages is allowed for them. That way, only trusted roles can speak here, while everyone else can only read. When you're finished, save your changes. To quickly test it, you can use a test account or a role that mimics regular members and confirm they can see, but not send messages. Once it works as expected, you've successfully created a read-only text channel on Discord.